So we are introducing a new wing of Nola today, and we will be showing our Nola for travel as well. So we are in Jaipur. We were searching for lots of places and we are going through multiple vlogs, but we are not finding a proper one which will be actually suitable for a millennial. So here we have some freshly brewed ideas, and we will be having a royal stay at a palace first of all. Then we are going to have a hot air balloon ride for witnessing sunrise, and we'll be trying all those lip-smacking Rajasthani cuisine, lal mas, jangli mas, safed mas, and of course gher. Then we will be traveling towards Jaisalmer, and we want to have that desert vibe, and so we will be proceeding with Thor bashing, camel riding, jeep safari, and of course we have to visit Sonar Killa. Coming in Rajasthan and not visiting Sonar Killa, that is absolutely a crime, right? So stay tuned, we'll keep you posted. So we were really hungry, and this is the famous place at Jaipur to have breakfast. So we are at L&D, Lakshmi Mishtan Bhandar. So we're going to try their specialties. This is dal kachori, this is piyaz kachori, and this is mitti lassi. Let's dig in. So we were trying their mitti lassi. This is awesome. Other than that, what we are having is piyaz kachori and dal kachori. So basically these are Kolkata's khasta kachori kind of thing, but the chutney over here is yum. In our trip to Jaipur, we thought of staying in a Haveli. So, we chose Samode Haveli. The former royal apartments are now deluxe rooms and suites, each having a distinctive character which reflects the rich history and culture of Samode. They retain the luxuriousness of the past while at the same time offering guests modern amenities. The private courtyards and balconies of the room still look out upon the charming pools, fountain courts, and gardens of the old Haveli. So we are at Handi. So wherever we were searching for lal mas or jangli mas or safed mas to have in Jaipur, everyone was recommending Handi is the only place to go. So here it is. I have my Handi, and this is the jangli mas with me. So the main specialty of this Jaipuri food is they're using the proper ghee, and that's why these will taste that delicious. So that is the main funda behind this. So, and I'll share a secret with you. My husband has come here in Jaipur just to have this lal mas. So let us test it if it is worth it or not. And there is a story behind this jangli mas. Actually, this is a hunting kind of meal. In earlier days, there were the kings who used to go for hunting. So whatever meat they would have got after that particular activity, they will be preparing it with a very minimum of spices. So that is the funda behind this recipe of jangli mas. So I cannot continue it like that because I will be doing like this. So without any further delay, let us start. You can literally see that I am just plucking the meat from the bone. Let me have some. This is a tawa kind of preparation, like a starter. Spicy, yes, but it's too good. I mean, finger licking good. And the main thing, main thing comes from this ghee. Because of this tastes this good. Even it is, if you are at Jaipur, if you want to try the best quality of jangli mas, you gotta come here. This is my second piece of jangli mas, and I have deep dip in ghee, pure ghee. It is melting in mouth. It is that good. Super soft, tender, tasty, and you can feel the aroma of that pure ghee. Chari piyaz. You cannot miss it. It's a loss. So other than this jangli mas, we are having our main dishes here. This is bajra ki roti, and here coming the lal mas. You will try it out and let me know if it is recommended by the Lal. Jangli mas is a must try. Basically, it is tawa roasted. That's why there is a crunch at outside, but from inside it is that tender. Now, moment of truth. Lal mas. You see the butter top of it. This is my bajra ki roti. Cheers. This roti is itself a very tasty one. I have not usually felt the lal mas taste. I'll try it one more time. Quite spicy. It is made of mathania meat, which is only available at Rajasthan, and it is not recommended to try it with any other kind of chili. Then you can die. with that hit. Mouth-watering, super duper delicious. But my favorite is the jangri mas only. We'll try this lal mas in some other places, but it is actually very tender. I'm not doing any struggle in order to pluck it from the bone. It's coming automatically. This is the good piece. Except we are going to order another plate of jangri mas because we liked it that much. So this bajrangi roti is very healthy. It's very tasty. But there is lots of. When you are in Rajasthan, you have to try this authentic. Okay, bye. Let me try it again. Half plate of jangri mas comes with 4 pieces, huge pieces, and you can see the fat here. These are my pieces. I love these pieces so much. As you can see, this is the second round of jangri mas. This is basically tawa roasted. This one, and this is the ghee. So, what you have to do, you have to just take this one, dollop of ghee, and give it here. Take here some and then have it. So I'm just plucking it. It's too hot. Is it tempting? This is my first piece. This is my second one. Ow. Too hot. Okay. I also got my bob. That many brownie points to the chef. Jaipur is paradise for shopaholics like me. So after that yum lunch at Handi, we had visited lots of bazaars there, Bapu Bazaar, Johari Bazaar, Meena Bazaar and all, and we tried the Jaipuri Safa. And at the end of the day, we witnessed the beautiful sunset over Hawa Mahal, and then heading towards Samode Haveli for the royal stay. We'll meet you in next vlog soon. Till then, goodbye.